Just waiting and waiting for them to come.
Isaac, Emmett, and Remy, here's how you get this trout that Nana just caught ice fishing. Start here at this poop hole. Pretty slippery. Having trouble holding it, so slippery. Let me get this around here so I can hold it. There we go. You got it all the way up here to the neck, up to there, and you can see that. You get inside here, and some people cut the heads off and pull all this out. That's all the guts there. And then this red here, you want to get that all out. And I just use my thumbnail to get that all out right there. And then just pull these guts the rest of the way out. You can see it there. Some people will cut off the head and just pull that out. And that's all right too if you want to do it that way. But pretty much you just got to make sure this is on the backbone there is to get all that blood out. And then we'll wash it out over here, and we can cut the fins off and the gills out if we want to. A lot of people will just cut these out right here. This knife isn't really as sharp as I'd like it to be. There we go. Not to cut your finger when you do this. Looks like that may be the heart or the liver right there. And so that guy's cut out here. And now we can just wash it up. And you can cook it just like this if you want to. So there you go.
I'm gonna wash it.
Let's wash it over here in the sink.
Okay, we're gonna cook this now with some Danish sea salt. Now for some Danish sea salt. This is gonna be good.
Okay, boys, it's been here cooking a few minutes. I'm going to flip it over.
Oh, that looks good. More Danish sea salt.
And get some more Danish sea salt and put on it. Put some more sea salt on it. Danish sea salt. That looks good, doesn't it? A few more minutes, it'll be ready. I think we're ready. Looking like that's good eating. Good. Eyes are white. Looks like it's all done.
Granddaddy is cooking up some potatoes and avocados to go with our fish dinner. Chef Myers is cooking it up. Grandbabies, this is going to taste so good. Meal fit for the best grandsons in the world.
I try to fillet this. It's pretty tender, and generally what I do is I try to just cut down through the meat here on the backbone there, and then get a knife. Cut it off here, and this pretty easy then to like fillet off.
Yum.
You see it? And you just fillet it right off the bones there. And there's
Take
the
a
bone.
taste of it and see what it tastes like.
You get the first taste since you caught it.
No, because I'm videoing. Just pick up a teeny piece. Ooh. But
Let's see how
damn
this
it,
tastes.
Isaac, Remy, this is going to taste so good.
That's good. And then once you get that started, see, you can just pull the bones out like that.
Beautiful.
And you still have to be careful looking for bones when you eat it. But it's a good old chop because it's just so tender. It just falls right off the bones there. And there you go.
Hey guys, Isaac, Emmett, Remy, this is lunch cooked by Granddaddy at the Grand Timber Lodge.
And caught by Nana and pulled in.
I'm gonna taste it. Let me see. Ooh. Okay. This is so good. You guys gotta come do this. Thank you, Lord.
That's a good piece of filet trout all cooked up. So good. Doesn't get any better.
Caught it, guys. We're gonna take this one home and cook it. See it? Came out of this hole.